We keep hearing some weird sound.
Yeah, it's odd.
So we stopped to see if I can get it on camera. It's like when somebody brings their car in.
It won't
Hear
do
this
anything.
strange noise. There's no noise.
Well, leave it running, and
It sounded like horror movie shit, actually.
it did. It was weird. That's weird. That's what, the third time now?
Mm-hmm. We're just up on our island.
I have no idea what that is.
Maybe it's the ferry, but that's so far away.
How could it be the ferry?
I don't know. Maybe it's foggy over there. He's blowing a horn.
What is that, 60 miles away or something?
30?
Yeah, there's no way that's carrying that far. Either that or we got whales.
Probably whales. All right. Let's continue with our day's labor.